What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging, driving Big Zeus today, my 2018 lifted Raptor, and we are going to talk about what I have invested in Zeus. So in case you guys were wondering, we're just going to do a transparent video. I say invested like that's a good thing. We all know that you just take your money and really throw it into your vehicles. For those guys that are like me with this sickness, it's not an investment ultimately. You know, I call it that because I like to feel better about what I'm doing, but we all know we're big boys with expensive toys, right? Got to pay to play. That's the old saying. So let's dive into this video. I'll give you walks around to the truck, talk to you about what I have invested. Invested, yeah, I like it. Sounds good. Let's do this. Okay, so, so let's get down to it. How did Zeus come to be? All right, how did my truck get to where it's at now, what I have invested? Let's do a walk around. The wind don't take us away. All right, first you're gonna have the most important part of the Indo-Raptor is the BDS 4-inch lift. All right, so 4-inch BDS lift accompanied with 20 by 12 negative 44 offset KMC XD wheels, and I think that's called a chopstick wheel. We got the Nitto Ridge Grapplers 37 1350 20s, and they're super quiet. Moving along to the interior, another cool feature of the Indo-Raptor is that it has the paint match not only on the outside but the inside, and I'm talking even the paddle shifters are paint matched. It's pretty cool. Instrument cluster, bezel, steering wheel, center console. Oh, also touch screen, which is pretty cool. So the Indo-Raptor package takes place in Winder, Georgia at Aikens Ford. They've got a customization part called Wild Willie's, and you guys check them out. I dealt with Neil Shepard, who is goes by Real Deal Neil, and they specialize in the Ford Indo-Raptor packages that you guys are seeing right here. So we've covered the Indo-Raptor package. All right, so that's added on to your base Raptor price. All right, mine's a second gen. You know, they've come out with the third gens now, and they're doing full Indo-Raptor packages on those. Even the Raptor R, I've seen that, which is awesome. You guys check them out. I mean, they're not sponsoring my video. I'm just giving them thanks for the way they've took care of me. Customer service is awesome down there. And yeah, I mean, you got to come out of pocket for the additional stuff, but it is flat out awesome. So we've not even talked price yet. So Mike, what am I looking at to get my Raptor done like that? All right, so just the Indo-Raptor package. If you hit these guys up, they may quote you different because times and prices have changed. But what I paid at the time would be around $12,000 added on to the price of your Raptor. Okay, so what do I have invested or tied up in my Raptor? All right, not to mention the black toolbox I showed you guys. Got a lot of other stuff that I've put on the truck, like ceramic tinted windows. Check out the rest of my videos. Head on over to my channel page and you guys will see all of the other videos of mods that I've done to Zeus on my own without that company doing the Indo-Raptor package. So Indo-Raptor package just consists of lift, wheels, tires, paint matching. I wound up giving $60,000 for my Raptor used. All right, 12,000 added on to that, 72. Plus with small mods I've got done, like I just mentioned, tinted windows, lots of other things. Also new batteries, some preventive maintenance items, stuff like that. So I guess you'd say, all in all, I've probably got about $76,000 tied up in Zeus at the moment. Oh yeah, can't forget the Husky liners or the $700 rigid backlit fog lamps. Cannot forget about the $2,000 I've got invested in the AMP research steps. That's right. Custom subwoofer enclosure, 2 10-inch kicker competitions. Notice the kicker amp over there. All right, so we're at $76,000 total for my build so far. And you know, the totalizer's always increasing because we're never finished, are we guys? That's right. So in the description below, y'all check it out. I'll put various links of a lot of the mods that I have where you can pick your stuff up, or just drop some comments below and let me know what you think of my build, and let me know your build. Let me know what's going on with you guys. So hit me up down there and I will catch y'all in the next video. Later.